Pip and P.
Hello friends. Are you healthy? Today, let's learn and recognize the names of dogs. Let's get started.
Havanese.
Havanese, a dog of a small breed developed in Cuba, having drooping ears, a long silky coat, and a plumed tail carried over the back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Husky.
Husky is a general name for a sled type of dog used in northern regions, differentiated from other sled dog types by their fast pulling style. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Labrador Retriever.
Labrador Retriever, a dog of a breed originating in Newfoundland, having a short yellow, black, or brown coat and often used to retrieve felled game. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Maltese.
Maltese is a small breed of dog in the toy group. It descends from dogs originating in the central Mediterranean area. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Newfoundland.
Newfoundland, a dog of a large, strong breed developed in Newfoundland to aid fishermen, having a thick, usually black coat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Papillon.
A pillowcade dog of a toy spaniel breed developed in Europe, having a long silky coat, a bushy tail that curves over the back, and large ears shaped like the wings of a butterfly. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Pomeranian.
Pomeranian, any of a breed of long-haired compact toy dogs with a soft dense undercoat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu is an old Chinese breed of toy dogs that have a square, short and wrinkled muzzle, short muscular legs, and a long dense flowing coat. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to share and do not forget to subscribe to the latest videos.
Bye bye.
Say goodbye to you and
Bye-bye.
see you in the next video.